The digital divide is the unequal access to digital technology, including smartphones, tablets, laptops, and the internet. The digital divide creates a division and inequality around access to information and resources. How to prevent digital divides? Increase connectivity, better digital literacy, affordable, equitable access, invest in digital education, devise locally appropriate public or private solution, develop stronger broadband infrastructure. Computer addiction is a form of behavioral addiction that can be described as the excessive or compulsive use of the computer, which persists despite serious negative consequences for personal, social, or occupational function. How to prevent computer addiction? Monitor and limit your internet habits. Set time limits for usage. Try to shorten your internet session. Use external shutdown devices on your computer and phone. Completely stop using certain applications or use applications that can limit your time online. Cyberbullying includes sending, posting, or sharing negative, harmful, false, or means content about someone else. It can include sharing personal or private information about someone else, causing embarrassment or humiliation. Some cyberbullying crosses the line into unlawful or criminal behavior. To prevent cyberbullying, we need to manage privacy settings online, protect your password, keep clear records, block cyberbullies via user settings, report cyberbullying to site admins, stay safe online, ask when you think a friend might need help.